Today we're going to show you what's in the box with the Emerson White-Rodgers SureSwitch. Model number 4911843 multi-voltage contactor. This model replaces over 100 common definite purpose contactors that you may see. So we're going to show you what's in the box and a little bit about the benefits of the SureSwitch. All right, so this is the Emerson White-Rodgers SureSwitch multi-volt contactor. It has a multi-voltage coil or control voltage, whatever you want to call it, of 24 volts, 120 volts, 208, or 240 volt applications. This makes them great for use in a wide range of residential, commercial, and even some refrigeration equipment. This contactor is a 1+ pole connection, meaning that it has one contact and one connect-through pole. This configuration makes it very versatile. On the diagram, you can see the one switch on the right and the plus pole on the left. Here are the coil connections, the single switch, the line side incoming, and the load side going out of the contactor to your compressor and your condenser fan. The SureSwitch has 5 times the regular contactor life. It has a sealed switch that keeps out ants and other bugs. It also has integrated compressor protection to prevent damage from brownout conditions and short cycling. This contactor can replace hundreds of OEM contactors, and you can get additional support from the White-Rodgers mobile app. Now we're going to unbox this SureSwitch and see what's inside. Here's the sticker that goes inside the electrical panel to let technicians know that it's not an OEM contactor. It also comes with some guides for testing and counting cycles. Here we show load out and line in. Line in is where the high voltage goes into the contactor, and load out goes out to our compressor and condenser fan. This is our coil or control connections. For 24 volt connections, you would connect here and here. For 120, 208, or 240, you would unplug this and connect here and place the red plug over the 24 volt connector. You're going to notice that the SureSwitch comes with mounting screws and a terminal multiplier flag terminal for multiple connections as needed. For a 5-second compressor test, you would depress the test button for 1 second. Then for cycle count, we press and hold the other button for 1 second and it will flash cycle count. You can turn off the delay or the brownout protection with these dip switches in the center. Let's compare this to a regular contactor. The coil here would be the same as these two here and here. And then we would have our line on one side of the contactor and we'd have our load on the other side of the contactor. Installing the SureSwitch is pretty easy. To remove the base plate, you only need to loosen one of the 4 screws. That allows us to mount the base plate through these mounting points. As you already saw, the SureSwitch comes with the required mounting screws and the terminal multiplier. The SureSwitch has a random start delay. That way, if you have several of these on one location, there won't be a major current spike from multiple systems coming on at the same time. This feature is especially useful in multifamily housing and light commercial facilities. There's also brownout or under voltage protection on the line voltage side. If the line voltage drops below safe levels, that protection will keep the unit from running. And the SureSwitch comes with a lifetime cycle count, so you can see the number of cycles the system has run by counting the colored blinks as listed in the chart. This contactor is rated at 40 full load amps and 200 amps locked rotor. It's also rated at 75 degrees Celsius when torqued according to the lug torque rating using a torquing screwdriver. This unboxing video has shown you the benefits of the Emerson White-Rodgers SureSwitch multi-volt contactor. Available now at a quality wholesale distributor near you.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and got something out of it, if you wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notifications bell to be notified when new videos come out. HVAC School is far more than a YouTube channel. You can find out more by going to hvacrschool.com, which is our website and hub for all of our content, including tech tips, videos, podcasts, and so much more. You can also subscribe to the podcast on any podcast app of your choosing. You can also join our Facebook group if you want to weigh in on the conversation yourself. Thanks again for watching.